Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize ACH withdrawals on Coinbase. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize ACH withdrawals on Coinbase, begin by logging into your Coinbase account. Navigate to the Settings tab located in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Payment Methods. Look for the Add a Payment Method option and click on it. Choose Bank Account as your payment method. Select Continue to start the bank account linking process. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details. Provide the required information, including your account type, routing number, and account number. Once you've entered your information, click on Save. Coinbase will initiate 2 small test deposits to your bank account. Check your bank account statements for these test amounts. Return to your Coinbase account and navigate back to the Payment Methods section. There, you will see the option to verify your bank account. Enter the 2 test deposit amounts that you received. Click Verify to complete this step. Once verified, your bank account will be added as a payment method. You can now proceed to authorize ACH withdrawals on your Coinbase account. For withdrawals, navigate to the Portfolio section. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Click on the Withdraw button. Choose your newly linked bank account as the destination for your funds. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the transaction. Review the details for accuracy before finalizing your withdrawal. Your ACH withdrawal request will now be processed. You will receive a confirmation email once the withdrawal is complete. That's it. You've successfully authorized ACH withdrawals on Coinbase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.